Now today's project is we need to hook up the fittings to this for our on-demand units. There'll be two, one here and one here. There'll be a line here with some fittings and some shutoffs, and there'll be a line here. We also have strut plate we got to put up. That's not here yet because it's hard to get stuff, so I have to wait a couple days for that yet. Let's get started. Don't blame me, the lighting in this place is horrible. But here what we have is, you have your two on-demand units, the cold water comes in, the hot water goes out through these, and back out the main line. I know what you're saying, that's 3/4, that's 1.5 inches. Well, it actually ends up working out with the water heater, how it expands and everything, so it's not, the pressure you don't notice that much. So, but there'll be two on-demands plugged into here. This will get moved up here. Like I said, the two on-demands will be mounted up here. So now we got to mimic this on our cold water side. Then we got to flip the valves on and see if we got any leaks. So it's done, and we can turn the water back on because what little's dripping will not come out of here by the time I'm working. Sorry. It's all set. Now all we gotta do is pull the rag out, put two more of these on. Well, these are all set now. Now we just have to put the shutoffs on and pull that rag out. Soldered up. Let's see how that looks. Not bad. Like I said, the lighting sucks in here. Shut them. Now I know they're a little off angle on that, but there'll be a support through the center. There'll be a support on that side, and there'll be a support over there that isn't here yet. So let's go ahead and set you up where you can see. Let's see if we got any leaks. Yep, got a leaker. Right there. These fittings must have got crushed somewhere. These fittings are just not, something's wrong with them. Well, that's it for tonight's episode. It's late. I got a couple more things we got to do here yet before once we get these hooked up. Once we get these hooked up, I got to do more work to get the islands running. So a lot to go yet, but we're getting there. So take it easy. I hope you enjoyed it.